Mumbai, which used to be a city, but today it looks like a sea. Should the people of Mumbai ditch their vehicles and get boats like the people of Venice do? Because today, once again, Mumbai is sinking like the Titanic, and the water level is increasing very fast here. And we have just gotten some fresh news that a bridge has collapsed in Andheri.
Wasim, isn't that the same bridge which is on our way home?
Roshnak, I'm going.
But where are you going in such a weather?
My daughter is outside in this weather. Who will go to find her besides me? I'm not sitting here doing nothing in such a situation. Roshnak, I must go.
But
Many people have been injured, but the list of the deceased hasn't been issued by the government as yet. But it is estimated that at least 15 people have died so far.
Madam, this is your fault. I had told you not to take this path, but now we are both stuck at this place. Neither can we move ahead nor move back.
Sorry, mister. I didn't say that on purpose. Sorry. Mister, I have one request to you, please. I have to make one phone call. Please, may I use your phone?
Here, madam.
Thank you.
The number you have called is not reachable at the moment.
Oh God, this network. Once I just wanted to call Dad and just inform him that I'm all right. Thank you, mister.
Madam, I'll turn off the car for some time. There's very little petrol. I will go out and see till where the traffic jam extends. Okay?
All right.
yes, all right. You take care, okay? Okay, bye. It's 10 and it's still pouring so heavily. Harsh said that he will leave from office in the morning.
Thank God, Mom. In such weather, it is better for one to be where they are.
I just hope you have reached home safely, Zoya.
Arjun, answer my call.
Arjun, your phone is ringing. Answer it.
Excuse me. Hello?
Arjun?
Arjun, I don't know what's happening. You know Zoya?
Calm down. Tell me what happened.
Arjun, Zoya has still not reached home.
What? Zoya has still not reached home? Noor, but she left.
Arjun, give it. Noor, Adi here. It's been 2 hours. Isn't Zoya home yet?
Aditya, she is still not home. Dad has gone to
Look for her. And Mom?
won't stop crying.
When did you talk last? Where was she and what did she say?
When she was in the office,
She was about to leave from office to come
come home, that's when we spoke.
Adi, where are you going? It's raining.
Hello, Aditya.
Hello?
Aditya?
Noor?
Where is Zoya? Didn't she come with you?
The car stopped working. It's pouring so heavily. There is water everywhere. The car stopped and it wouldn't start. There is no auto or any taxi. I somehow pushed the car and got it here.
What will we do now?
What else can we do? We'll walk and look for her.
I'm also coming with you.
Yes.
1 second, Dad. What is it that you're saying about going walking? This is not Missouri. It is Mumbai. And you have no idea about the potholes over here. Do you know how many people have lost their lives because of these potholes? You are not going anywhere.
Noor,
Dad, even I'm concerned about Zoya. But that certainly doesn't mean this, that you will go ahead and risk your life as well. You are not going anywhere. I have said you're not going anywhere. That's
Okay,
it.
dear, we won't go. We will stay with you, okay?
Hello, Noor. Did anyone at home speak to Zoya?
Yes, Dad had called her.
Okay.
But she
She was leaving office at that time. That was 2.5 hours ago, Aditya.
Oh my god, that's late. Okay, I'm going towards the office. I'll check there.
Please, Aditya, please find Zoya.
Call me if you get any news.
Yes, okay. Bye.
Zoya, where are you?
Why hasn't the driver come back yet? The car has been locked? Mister, listen, mister! 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 Mister, listen to me!
Zoya! Zoya! Sorry.
Listen, please, stop!
Zoya, where are you?
Oh my god, I cannot breathe.
Zoya, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me to go away from you.
Really, Aditya?
If you don't trust me, then just leave from here.
Aditya, if today is the last day of my life, then I will regret the most that I fought with my dearest friend and that we could not clear up our problems.
You considered me to be your best friend, Zoya. Best friends do not leave each other so easily for the sake of a trivial fight. Do you get it? I will find you, Zoya. You cannot leave this way. I will surely find you. Come what may.
Yes. Yes, I'll reach the office by 7 p.m. You meet me there and I'll pay you the money there. Fine. Thank you.
Vendor. She had gone to the vendor. Mandal, is Zoya there?
No, sir. She was supposed to come, but she hasn't come as yet. Her phone is not reachable either.
Thank you, Mandal. This means she must have gone that way.
Listen, mister, please. Aditya.
Zoya! 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 Zoya!
Aditya.
Zoya!